Hey guys, it's Erica.
Erica Sager. Oh shit, it's Erica Sager.
Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a sort of part 2 to another video I've already made, where I tell you guys about all this free stuff and discounted stuff you can get for being a student with a simple.edu email or ID card. I just want to let you guys in on some deals that I know of or have researched or have heard people have used, so I wanted to collect all of that and make another helpful video for students. So if you guys get anything out of this video, please feel free to like the video, subscribe, turn on the post notifications if you're new here. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I appreciate it, and let's just get started. So the first thing that's completely free for students right now is Rosetta Stone. You get 3 free months of the program on the website, and this is a great opportunity to learn language. Most people have a lot of extra time right now, so if you're looking to sharpen up a bunch of your language skills, I would definitely recommend checking this little life hack out. You just go to rosettastone.com/student, I believe, or if you type that in, you will find it. I'm using it right now to study French and Hebrew. So probably not everyone will be studying those 2 languages, but they have a ton of languages. I think they have at least 20 languages you can choose from in this free program, so be sure to check that out. I'm sure you guys know this deal, but if you don't already, Apple Music has $5 a month special for students, and then my personal favorite, Spotify, also has a $5 deal, but when you do Spotify, you're also getting a free Hulu membership. So I use this to watch like Broad City, and I watched Parasite using this. So it's a great deal because you're basically paying $250 a month for Spotify, $250 a month for Hulu. Are you guys more of an Apple Music or a Spotify person? Comment below. I'm definitely more of a Spotify girl. You can get access to a ton of free newspapers, regional, local, if you guys are interested. I know the New York Times has a lot of great information right now, especially about coronavirus, and you get a free membership to that if you're a student. You get a free membership to the Wall Street Journal, the Washington Post. A bunch of large newspapers offer free memberships or subscriptions to students. I didn't know this, but apparently a bunch of car companies have discounts or rebates for students. So Ford has a program called Ford Drives You, with a U, and they offer just special deals to students. So if you're looking to buy a car right now, or like when you graduate or whatever, it's a great thing to just check out what discounts may be available to you. Apparently Jeep offers up to $2,500 in rebate, so it never hurts to ask, and being a student can definitely benefit you. You just a lot of times have to be vocal about it. And then just another general like hack would be to type in anything you're gonna buy or anything you want, and then student discount or like just student free afterwards on Google, just like keywords to help you find discounts for probably almost everything you spend money on. I know AT&T, if you use that product or service for your phone, has student discounts, so you can qualify for those, but basically everything has student discounts, so look it up. As some of you may know, around the end of summer and back to school time, Apple starts offering great deals on some of their products, especially their laptops. Sometimes they offer free Beats when you buy a laptop, or $200. They just have a lot of offers in the early fall, late summer time, so be sure to take advantage of that in the upcoming months. Most schools offer Microsoft 365 for free to you, so that means you can get most any Microsoft product, download it to your computer. PowerPoint, Word, Excel. You can up your Excel skills, get a job in data science. I took an Excel class once. I learned a lot, probably enough to work a job, but it's just really helpful, and you basically use it for all your classes and projects anyways, so you might as well have it. So this is going to be quite a subjective thing, but a lot of schools offer free mental health help. So I know FSU at least offers a couple free sessions per student per semester, and then highly discounted rates afterwards. I went in one time. I didn't have the best luck with my on-campus mental health like counseling services or anything like that, but a lot of schools probably have better programs or people have different experiences, so take advantage of free counseling if you just need to vent or talk something out or get guidance on that. It's normally free. And honestly, I'd recommend like reaching out to admissions or career services or anything like that to figure out all the free stuff that students are offered, just so you have like a comprehensive list or idea of what your school offers. Because a lot of schools offer different freebies. Some will give you the entire Adobe suite for free. Some of them will give you all these subscriptions for free. Like, you just get a lot of different things going to different schools. So it's best to ask. Speaking of the Adobe Creative Cloud suite thing, FSU, at least, I know a bunch of schools do this as well, offer the programs for free, however, in the library. So you actually have to go to the library to use it because it's downloaded on their computers in the space. But when school gets back up and running and you want to use those services, just be aware that they probably exist for you for free in the library. But also, as a student, you can get the cloud severely discounted. But as a student, you only have to pay $19.99 a month, so I use it and split it with my sister, so it only costs me $10 a month. A general place you can find discounts for basically anything is Unidays, so if you go on there and sign up with your email, and basically the deals come your way. Anytime you're gonna go online shopping, you have to use this. If you're buying from ASOS, I know you at least get a 10% off discount. I know they have discounts with Adidas and different makeup brands, and like everything you want to buy online, they probably have a discount code for it, so use it. A lot of movie theaters offer deals for students, especially when they're close to campus. So I know the movie theater by FSU, one of them at least, has $5 Tuesdays, so you can go to the movies for $5 on Tuesdays. And then also I know AMC Theaters on Thursdays gives discounts to students, but only on Thursdays, which is interesting, but there you go. A lot of really random places will have student discounts, so especially around college campuses. My eyebrow place I go to, which is located in the plaza with Insomnia Cookies on West Tennessee Street, if anyone wants to know and goes to FSU. I go to a threading place and they have a student discount, so I believe it's normally $12 to get your eyebrows done, but if you're a student, it's only $8. So it's great because you're getting like a 33-ish% discount, and I can pay for my brows and tip and still spend less than I would have. So it's beautiful. While you're in college, milk it for all it's worth, and I mean this so much. When you go into the real world, everything's gonna cost money. So take advantage of all the free resume reviews they have, all the mock interviews they have, the tutoring services that are offered. Take advantage of that because everything like that is going to cost money after you graduate. So make sure you're utilizing the Career Services Center and see how they can help you with job placement or writing a resume or a cover letter or everything like that. Get help for free and just use the resources you have while you have them. There's a bunch of birds circling. I think something died. Another thing you can get for free as a student that happens pretty frequently is food. So a lot of times on campus, different clubs will be offering different food. I know at FSU, there's this like Christian ministry group and they offer such good food, and you don't even have to be, like, I'm Jewish and I have gotten food from them, and you don't even have to be in the club. You can just be walking by. They're super nice. So you may also have like a housing fair on campus, and they give away a lot of free stuff. I've worked in housing, so I know. Like free t-shirts, pens, pencils, cups, gift cards. A lot of them give away gift cards. You like spin a wheel or something. At one of the housing fairs I went to, I think I made like 25 bucks just walking around, so it's definitely worth going to those kinds of things. Another thing is software. I mean, I'm not huge into coding or software or anything like that, but I know GitHub, Autodesk is free. You can get different like Microsoft software for free. So if that's something you're interested in, look more into it. I'm not going to pretend like I know a lot about it, but if computer science is your thing, GitHub, Autodesk, and like various Microsoft programs for free. Something you may know about, it's free for everyone, but you should be using it as a student, is Canva. You can create graphics. If you're working on a project, it can help you make posters, and it has resume formats, and it has like everything under the sun. If you ever have a digital project, use Canva. It's great for PowerPoints, it's great for basically anything, and they make it really seamless and easy and free. So as a student, you're probably paying a lot of money for tuition. However, if you're interested in studying anything outside of school, you can sign up for free online classes on places like Coursera or EDX. If you want to learn about any sort of topic that you're not taking in class, it's very low pressure. You don't have to pay for anything. You can pay if you want a certificate, but if you don't need the certificate, it's free. And lastly, a hack for free answers to any question you have on Course Hero is if you submit 10 documents of your work, so whether that's an essay or a study guide or anything like that that could help someone else out in the future, you get 5 unlocks. So say you're trying to find the answer to a really hard question. Normally if you go on Course Hero, it's the exact question, but it won't show you the answer or any hints or help. So if you submit 10 documents, you get 5 free unlocks. So that's just something to know about if you don't already have an account or an account that like 45 people use that you share. So yeah. So that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed and got something out of it. If you did, be sure to like this video, subscribe, comment down below, share it with your friends. It all really helps me, and especially with the YouTube algorithm thing. And if you guys are still here, I'm trying to reach 30,000 by my birthday, so don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Bye guys.